this is Cass and you're watching Casual Gaming. And today, I'm going to teach you how to use a jump rope. So let me show you the steps. So the first step, you need to hop. Means hop. Like this. With the toes, okay? Watch closely. Like that, with the toes. Then we'll get a jump rope. Then we'll do tap, tap, twist, wait. So like this, you put your jump rope like this, here. Then you tap it twice. Then you twist it, then wait. Then we'll do another one. So we'll do tap, tap, twist, wait, trap. So here. You just tap it twice, then twist it, then open your feet at the time the jump rope's almost there. So you need to do it fast. Or else you might mess up with me. So let me try. Like that. The second step, we're in the fourth already, so tap, tap, twist, wait, pop. Remember the pop, huh? Okay, so like this. Tap, 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 tap.
Mama.
Pop. Then after you do that, the last step, you'll just tap, tap, wait, tap, tap, twist, wait, pop, bounce. You do it 2 times, and I get really hard time here, so this might take too long. Let me show you. So tap, tap, watch carefully. Tap, tap, twist, pop. Oh, the jump rope always goes to my neck. So let me try again. Tap, tap, this, pop. You'll need to move your wrists. That's why I didn't do my wrist. The phone is the phone. Let's do 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I was doing 1, so I did now. So 1, 2, 3.